So on an SL65, this is the V12, to do the oil service, very simple. Oil filter, take off your little carbon fiber cover, undo the oil filter, undo the fill. Then we're gonna lift the car in the air, and I'll show you where the drain is. So you're gonna remove this first pan with all the screws. It's 8mm, and then you're gonna remove the secondary pan right here. As you can see, we have a pretty epic transmission leak from here, from the seal. Anyway, right here is the drain. This is the oil pan that's also leaking. Yep. Fantastic. So yeah, go ahead and undo that and drain the oil. Your filter is E17H01D50 right here. Always use quality filters. You're gonna have 4 O-rings, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna use this additive. And the car takes 9.5 liters of 540.